Converting CAD data into accurate STL files is the first step in creating high-quality printed parts. The more different types of CAD file you can read, the better, as it may enable you to attract more customers and grow your business. Yet with so many different types of CAD file out there, each with its own formats and parameters, the cost of working with them all can quickly add up. Unlike some solutions where you have to pay extra for basic functionality like CAD import, NetFab allows you to read data from all commonly used CAD systems, including CATIA, NX, SolidWorks, and many more. NetFab is designed to allow you to control how finely you triangulate your mesh, and therefore control the resolution of the printed part. NetFab is designed to speed up your workflow by allowing you to import files in batches, reducing the time it takes to assess files to estimate build costs and generate quotations. Once the geometry has been read into NetFab, you can analyze part features to predict costs and build issues by getting a fast overview of wall thickness, support volume, shadow surfaces, layer times, and upskin and downskin areas. If errors occur during translation, they can be addressed in just a few clicks using NetFab's powerful mesh analysis and repair tools. NetFab has a powerful mesh editor, enhancing your productivity by automatically repairing hundreds of parts at a time in batch repair mode. This includes closing holes, eliminating self-intersections, and wrapping. It also comes preloaded with recipes of common repair sequences. For special cases, you can create your own using a simple dialog. You can also use manual repair tools to assist in enhancing the manufacturability of the models. Manually cut out errors, edit meshes, and compare repaired parts with the original model to determine deviations and verify build geometry. You'll also find measuring tools to help you perform reviews of specific details of your model.